French central bank governor raises concern about Trump's pro-crypto policies. Bitcoin reserve. François Villeroy de Galhau. Explore how U.S. crypto and deregulation policies might send ripples through global finance as French leaders voice concerns over potential market instability. Last updated, March 17, 2025. Author. Jimmy Aki. Author. Jimmy Aki. About author. Jimmy has nearly 10 years of experience as a journalist and writer in the blockchain industry. He has worked with well-known publications such as Bitcoin Magazine, CCN, and Blockonomi covering news. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. March 17, 2025 at 18:22 GMT+2. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. French banking leadership warns that U.S. policy shifts could trigger unforeseen financial challenges. A move toward lighter crypto oversight sparks debate over risk exposure. European officials review reform options amid evolving market conditions. Ongoing talks question the role of digital assets in monetary reserves. In an exclusive interview with French weekly La Tribune Dimanche on March 15, French central bank governor François Villeroy de Galhau cautioned that U.S. President Trump's policies, particularly his support for digital assets and deregulation, could destabilize the global financial system. He argued that these measures might introduce new financial risks, warning that such risks often originate in the United States before spilling over into global markets. How Trump's policies could trigger global financial upheavals. Villeroy de Galhau explained that Trump's policies are sowing the seeds of future upheavals. He emphasized that history has shown how financial crises frequently begin in the U.S. before expanding globally. He cited historical patterns, noting that 3 of the past 5 major financial crises originated in the United States: the Great Depression in 1929, the 1973 OPEC oil price shock, and the 2008 Great Recession. Each had major global repercussions. Villeroy de Galhau argued that the current trajectory of Trump's policies, particularly the focus on deregulation and support for digital assets, mirrors risky behaviors that have historically led to financial instability. French central bank governor's crypto warning on Trump's policies. The French central bank governor's warning comes amid recent U.S. policy shifts concerning cryptocurrency. President Trump recently signed an executive order announcing the creation of a strategic Bitcoin reserve, a move that ignited sharp debate over the federal government's involvement in digital assets. Additionally, the proposed rollback of Operation Choke Point 2.0, which previously limited crypto firms' access to banking services, signals another shift toward deregulation. Critics argue Trump's policies on deregulation introduce unnecessary systemic risks, particularly given the volatile nature of crypto markets. While proponents applaud these decisions as steps toward financial autonomy, the immediate impact has not been without consequence. Last week, Bitcoin's price plunged below $84,000 after the executive order was announced, triggering over $250 million in liquidations. This sharp decline underscored concerns regarding the extreme volatility of digital assets and their potential effect on broader financial stability. Economist Peter Schiff, a well-known Bitcoin critic, echoed these sentiments, arguing that Bitcoin's price swings make it an unreliable asset for national reserves. Schiff warned that Trump's policies could end up disproportionately benefiting insiders while exposing taxpayers and banks to avoidable risks. Villeroy de Galhau's concerns extend beyond cryptocurrencies, touching on broader aspects of Trump's policies, including trade measures that could further strain international relations. Europe's response to Trump's tariffs and Bitcoin push. Trump's trade policies have also sparked tension across the Atlantic. Villeroy de Galhau criticized Trump's trade strategies, including recent tariff hikes and deregulation efforts, describing them as harmful to the American economy and problematic for European allies. One focal point is Trump's introduction of a 25% tariff on European cars. The decision has raised alarms among European Union leaders, particularly in France. Villeroy de Galhau stressed that Europe must avoid reacting passively to such moves and instead negotiate from a position of strength. To safeguard financial stability, European leaders are exploring several measures. Villeroy de Galhau has called for strengthening the euro's global role, improving Europe's savings and investment framework, and enhancing financial independence. His message is clear: Europe must take decisive action to shield itself from the ripple effects of Trump's policies. German central bank chief Joachim Nagel shares similar concerns. He described Trump's policies as something akin to a horror show and has advocated for a digital euro as a means to preserve Europe's financial sovereignty. However, unlike some nations, Nagel remains firmly opposed to central banks holding Bitcoin, arguing that digital assets lack the transparency and liquidity necessary for official reserves. A divided approach to Bitcoin reserves. While Nagel and other European financial leaders caution against digital assets, different perspectives exist. Aleš Mikl, governor of the Czech National Bank, has expressed openness to considering Bitcoin as part of reserve diversification. He suggested that the CNB might explore adding Bitcoin to its national reserves, signaling a potential shift in approach. Outside Europe, independent nations like El Salvador continue to accumulate Bitcoin, while several U.S. states have introduced legislation to create state-controlled Bitcoin reserves. Meanwhile, Michael Saylor's investment firm, Strategy, recently announced a $10.7 million Bitcoin purchase and revealed plans to raise $21 billion to expand its holdings. The debate surrounding Bitcoin's role in national reserves reflects a broader divide. Some see digital assets as a modern tool for financial innovation, while others emphasize the importance of maintaining stability and transparency in central banking. As Trump's policies continue to reshape the global financial order, European leaders and central banks face mounting pressure to adapt. Whether through reinforcing the euro, pursuing digital alternatives, or addressing trade challenges, their responses will likely define the next phase of international financial stability. Frequently asked questions (FAQs). What potential risks arise from adopting a pro-crypto stance in national policy? A pro-crypto policy invites rapid market shifts and hidden vulnerabilities. Without stringent oversight, these strategies may spark cross-border economic turbulence and yield unpredictable financial outcomes. How could European financial policies be affected by U.S. crypto moves? European banks may adjust reserve plans and explore digital alternatives as U.S. crypto support shifts market dynamics. This response could reshape regulatory stances and spur transatlantic fiscal reform. What steps can policymakers take to manage crypto-related market risks? Policymakers may adopt stricter oversight and clear guidelines to control crypto market risks. Experts recommend balanced measures that blend financial prudence with advancement to stabilize systems and curb fallout. Follow us on Google News. Trending News. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Peter Schiff predicts Bitcoin to drop below $65,000 if Nasdaq crashes. Two big developments in XRP ETFs just happened. Bitcoin struggles below $85,000 as traders question bull market strength. Price analysis. Massive $368 million Bitcoin short raises red flags. Is a crash incoming? 8 hours ago. By Arslan Butt. Price analysis. Bitcoin drone show shatters records as BTC eyes $86,000 breakout. 1 day ago. By Arslan Butt. Finance News. ECB official warns U.S. crypto policies could trigger next financial crisis. 16 hours ago. By Shalini Nagarajan. Best crypto to buy now in March 2025. Top crypto to invest in. February 19, 2025. By NSS Tavares. New crypto coins to invest in March 2025. 5 days ago. By NSS Tavares. 8 best crypto pre-sales to invest in now. Upcoming token sales. March 3, 2025. By Medkilikudi. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in March 2025. March 3, 2025. By Alija Rankovic. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. March 3, 2025. By NSS Tavares. The 12 next cryptocurrencies to explode in 2025 are top picks. September 11, 2024. By Alija Rankovic. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2034. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH reach $5,000? August 28, 2024. Bye Benbeto.